Check out our newest feature release. Now you have the ability to view all contact notes for a specific company, specifically meaning that if you have multiple contacts within one company, you can actually look at all of the notes that relate back to everybody who's tying into that company. Now you can seamlessly view, add, and edit notes for all contacts associated with a specific company in the CRM. With this feature update, you can quickly view and manage notes for all company-related contacts in one place. You can also easily filter and sort those notes, and then you can edit and add notes directly from the company detail page. Imagine that you run a small marketing agency or any business that needs to prospect throughout an entire company. With the company notes overview, you can now access all communication history, track progress, and collaborate seamlessly on marketing strategies, ultimately improving client relationships and your campaign's effectiveness. So let's first make sure that we have a company added. For that, I want you to go to Contacts in the left-hand navigation, then Company in the upper navigation. Now I'm going to have you click on Add a New Company, or just so you know, you can always edit an existing one. Now I'm going to have you access the Company Notes feature. So while you're under Company in the left-hand navigation, you're going to go up into that company area in the upper navigation and drop down into Notes, and then simply click the plus Add Note button. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to select the contact, and then you're going to go ahead and add those notes, and then click Create Note. So let's go ahead and add some filters to your contact notes. So to do that, you're going to be in that note area within your contact, and you're going to click on Filter. Now you're going to select the specific contact that you would like to add that tag to or that note to, and you're going to go ahead and click Apply. And that's how easy it is. We hope you enjoy this new feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.